Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream at home with milk. Making delicious homemade ice cream is simpler than you might think, and it starts with just a few basic ingredients. We'll focus on creating a rich, creamy base using milk, sugar, and a touch of cream. This method ensures a smooth texture without needing complex equipment. Get ready to enjoy a delightful frozen treat. Once you have your ingredients, the next step is to combine them. Gently warm your milk and sugar mixture on the stovetop, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. This ensures a smooth, non-gritty texture. After the sugar is dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. Then, chill the base in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight for the best results. Now for the fun part, churning. Pour your chilled ice cream base into your ice cream maker. Follow your machine's instructions, churning for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the mixture thickens to the consistency of soft-serve ice cream. This crucial step incorporates air, which is key to achieving that wonderfully light and smooth texture we all love in homemade ice cream. After churning, your ice cream will be soft, but not quite ready to scoop. Transfer it to an airtight container and place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness. This allows the ice cream to harden properly. When it's ready, scoop it out and enjoy your delicious homemade creation. Add your favorite toppings for an extra special treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.